So, let's say you are a fool like me, and you're quite happy to, you're quite happy to exercise in your place of work, wherever that might be. As you know from my other videos, and in fact my last video, I will quite often pump out a few press-ups, especially with my resistance band. So what I want to show you is a variation to your press-up that will work a little bit more on your core strength. And it's certainly quite tricky, and I'm still trying to get the hang of it now. But by moving your hands, these purple hands that I've got from being out in the cold, by moving your hands further down your body, so bringing your hands closer towards your waist, you're going to make use of a variety of other supporting muscles to help you do the press up. So let me show you. So, the normal press up position, as you know, would be here. Arms straight below your shoulder, trying to keep a straight back. So one of the things I've been experimenting recently is moving my hands towards my waist and pushing up from there. Sometimes you might need to twist your palms out slightly to make it slightly easier. Now all this is me trying to attempt a planche at some point. Whether I will ever be able to do that, I don't know. But this is definitely a great exercise. Give it a go. You'll find it harder than it actually looks. Evolutionary Dave signing off. Thank you.